Hey there, this is Christian Kane going over my final project for Flatiron School. This is my React and Redux project with React Router for client-side routing. For my project, I decided to make a portfolio just to have all of my work centralized and have a nice piece to show off to potential employers. So going through, have a header up top, a header component that I created with various SVG components. Moving down, this is the home page, the first page you see on the website. I have a nav bar, a short mission statement, and a list of projects. This is a container component comprised of smaller components. This information, the projects are being sourced in from my Rails API. Whenever this component mounts, sends a request to my API, and then creates project instances in the Redux state, and then the component displays each one. Have these sidebars to where you can toggle through. You can see a quick screenshot of the actual website, the title, brief description, the technologies used, as well as the link to the GitHub that we can click right here, and then quickly jump to the repo to see the associated code. You can also skip through. I'm using React CSS transitions to have this animation and this animation here. Moving down, I have the biography down here, short bio with links to GitHub, LinkedIn, or my resume. Now moving on to the blog posts. Here I have a list of blogs. These are actually being sourced in through Medium. Found that Medium didn't actually have a set API, so I had to get this information by using a combination of Medium's RSS feed and an RSS to JSON API that converted the XML from the RSS to JSON that I could more easily work with. And yeah, here's a list of titles, and whenever you click on one, you can see the actual blog post that I wrote on Medium. We can go back as well. Also have a contact me form. This is using an email.js plugin or library. So whenever somebody can come to the site and fill out their email address, the subject, and whatever message that may be, if they in fact wanted to get in contact with me, then this ultimately sends an email with the information to my personal email. But yeah, in short, that's my application. Going through the code really quickly, I have actions broken up, actions fetching the projects as well as the blogs, container classes and component classes broken down, reducers, some helper scripts. Let's see. Yeah, moving on to the dependencies, we have React, Redux, transition group, and thunk, so where we can send those fetch requests with the React or the Redux middleware. Also have a couple interesting dependencies. Email.js, like I mentioned, which sends the email to my personal email. Also, I'm using this file loader dependency. What this actually allowed me to do is have these SVG components that make up my header, allow me to store them in images as the actual raw SVG, and then let's see. And with that, I was able to import them and use them actually as React components, which made it much more easier and more organized when positioning everything and getting everything all set up. But yeah, in short, that's my project, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video.